The CORSAIR Vengeance RGB-DDR5 CUDIMM memory kits from CORSAIR are now available right now, with capacities of up to 96 GB and starting rates of up to 9200 ms. Faster kits will be available soon. With new models like Google Veo, its most sophisticated video creation model, and Imagen 3, the highest quality image generation model, Google is investing in its AI technologies for this reason. Browser isolation refers to a system that isolates web browsing activities in a sandbox or virtual machine. Either locally on the machine or remotely on a server, this isolation can happen. Businesses can increase operational efficiency by automating operations like inventory management and safety evaluations with Gemini 1.5 Pro's multimodal and lengthy context window features. The most potent EC2 computing choices for milliliter training and inference are the recently released Amazon Elastic Computing Cloud Amazon EC2 TRN2 instances and TRN2 Ultra servers. Browser isolation is a security approach that separates web browsing activities from the user's local device by running the browser in a secure environment, such as a cloud server or virtual machine, after which the visual content is streamed to the user's device. For more such content, subscribe to our channel.